Okay, we are just about packed up and ready to hit the road. God, last night was cold. Jeez, like I am so glad we had that fire because, yeah, man, like I didn't sleep the best. It's weird because, you know, I've got the -4 degrees sleeping bag, I've got like the high R value pad, and I'm sleeping in like 3 layers and I'm still cold. What's going on there? What do I need to change? You know, answers on a postcard. Other than that, great campsite. Today, rather than just heading straight back to St. Helens and rather than stick around for another day here, we've decided we're going to go north and head to the gardens because it's supposedly beautiful up there. I think this whole Bay of Fires, like orange rock stuff, is like meant to be like more intense up there, so we're going to go check it out. We're probably not going to be back here for a long time, if ever, so why not, you know? So brekie's done. I made a sort of low rent Trangia bruschetta or open sandwich or open toasty, so it's pretty good. I might do that again. I quite enjoyed it. We generally don't carry bread because it gets squashed, but we thought we'd treat ourselves. Got the solar panel working for me today. The solar panel we got way back in Perth and then didn't use for the entire first leg of the tour. So this time I'm really trying to put it to work and get our money's worth out of it, and it seems to be working. Like, it seems to be just about maybe keeping up with my phone. Yeah, so we'll see how that works out. All right, the gardens. See you later, Cosy Corner. Finally broke camp and this place is stunning. It's so nice out here and we finally got some good weather. I wonder if that's why it was so cold last night, just because it's like that, you know, this clear sky. You haven't got that cloud cover insulation. I think that's how it works. That's what I was told. Wow, glad we made the effort. So we're just riding along and Bonnie's like, what's that over there moving in the water? What's those black things? It looks like it might be dolphins. Could even be whales. But yeah, we're gonna get through this scrub here and investigate. You spot them?
Yeah. Yeah, they're dolphins. Oh my god!
Oh. Yeah, there's a bunch of them.
That was awesome.
Bonus dolphin sighting on our way to the gardens. How about that? So it looks like those dolphins that we saw might have actually been killer whales. If there are any experts out there, like, let us know, because yeah, we're pretty dumb. We thought they were dolphins. Yeah, please, if anyone's an expert, let us know. Okay, so the gardens maybe isn't worth the visit. The gardens itself anyway, it's alright, it's pretty dull though. But the coastline you ride along to get there is probably worth it. And you might just see some whales. What's funny actually is as beautiful as it is around here, and don't get me wrong, it is beautiful. don't believe the photos you see on Google Maps and stuff, because those guys have really juiced up those oranges in Lightroom. I can tell you that for a start. But it is still pretty spectacular. It's really unique. I've never seen anything like it. Anyway, so right now we got to do the long road back out of here to St. Helens. I think that's basically the only way. From what I understand, there is a four-wheel drive track we can take, but we ain't gonna take that. No chance, not again. So yeah, all right, St. Helens it is. Okay, that's us back onto the bike path that comes back into St. Helens. So we'll be there momentarily. I reckon the plan is to find somewhere nice to sit and get some lunch. And while we're at it, we'll sort of plan our route out and figure out where we're going to be camping tonight, perhaps. Old mate at the Pondering Frog Cafe gave us his map and pointed out this campsite on it that he recommends. So we're going to check this map because I've spotted one on my app, and yeah, let's see if it's the same one, and we'll maybe head there tonight to see how it goes. Okay, so we have just had our lunch. Carrying on from the bruschetta theme, we just had like an open sandwich of Philadelphia cheese, tomatoes and corn chips. And the seagulls are very, very jealous, it seems. Like the whole time I've been sat here eating, there's been all this honking of horns and shouting and screaming and stuff. And Bonnie just went up to the shop and came back and said there's like a protest on, like an environmental protest on. So yeah, you might hear a bit of that in a moment. Anyway, I've been planning out our route. Like, I looked at the map that like old mate gave us at the cafe, and turns out that the campsite he pointed out, the rec reserve, is the exact same place that I was planning on going. So we just need to get some gold coins to use for the showers before we get there, and we're golden. It looks like a great spot. Like, this grass, we'll actually get to put the tent on grass for once instead of like hard dirt or sand or dust or filth. It's gonna be amazing. I can't remember the name of the little town we're heading to, but I'll stick it in the video. But yeah, we're staying at the rec reserve, you know, free with donation, coin op showers, all that stuff. We specifically, I need a shower big time, so that's going to be pretty good. Supposedly in this town there's a really good pub. Maybe we'll treat ourselves to a pub meal and a pint, see how we feel. Oh, Bonnie's giving the thumbs up. Yep, pub meal, pint. All right, it's happening. The boss has spoken. And there's also a cheese factory.
What?
A cheese factory.
Well, let's get the f going.
All right. Bonnie spotted a sign for the shop in the bush, so we're gonna have a little look-see and see what a shop in a bush sells. Will do. Okay, the shop in the bush. Cool little place, like beautiful building, loads of cool artifacts there. Turns out it's an antiques shop. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, it's cool, but I always feel bad going into places like that because I love looking around at all the old stuff, but I basically feel like I'm treating it like a free museum. And it is a shop at the end of the day. They're trying to sell stuff, and I'm not gonna buy anything. I can't be collecting antiques on my bike. But yeah, but once you've stepped through the door, you're in there. It's, I don't know, weird situation. But the lady was pretty nice. Bonnie bought a postcard, which I suppose pays for our little lap of the shop. And now it's time for more hills. Campers, there are no surcharges. Use recreation rather any donation to help maintain and upkeep there. If you do, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna stick some coins in there.
Yeah. How many do you want me to put in?
Whatever you choose.
Well, I got $20 worth of coins. Hi, Beth. Hi.
Oh, friendly dog.
Oh, he's like, okay. Hi.
This one over here looks friendly. You look friendly, number 114.
Hi.
Are you a friendly one?
Oh, no.
Oh, I guess not.
Oh,
You're too friendly over there.
hi. Aw. Hello. Come say hello? No?
No.
Back with us.
Okay, we made it.
Freezing.
Got the tent set up, and Bonnie did make a donation. My GoPro ran out of battery right as she was putting the money in that red thing, whatever it was.
Now it
But
sounds convenient, but I did.
yeah, so we did pay our dues. Like, it's only a donation, you know. Pays for them to, I don't know, clean it up, restock the toilet paper or whatever. Yeah, so we're on our way to the pub in the paddock.
Yay.
I'm pretty excited.
Hopefully it's here. I don't know.
I mean, that's definitely a paddock, and there was a sign at the end of it, so hopefully there's a pub in said paddock.
My biggest fear is that it shut down years ago and they never bothered to take it off Google.
Well, like,
It's happened before.
the reviews on, like, I think it was like Wikicamps or something, said that the pub in the paddock does good food or whatever.
Oh.
So, like, I think it's still going.
Okay.
I guess we will find out. I'm definitely ready for a big pub feed and a beer. We've spotted the sign for the pub.
It is Friday.
And it's a Friday, but this place looks closed. This is this doesn't look good.
But let's see what it says. Oh, it's a bed and breakfast.
Country cooking. We don't know what's going on. This place looks abandoned. It also looks like it might be a bed and breakfast and not actually a pub. Or maybe it's just a heritage listed pub. And it used to be a pub and it isn't anymore. Either way, this is kind of strange.
Oh, boo. 11 to 4.
Really?
They serve dinner. They clearly they don't.
Oh.
We won't be here for yeah, we'll be long gone by the time they open tomorrow.
That sucks.
I really wanted to go here. This looks really good.
I was really looking forward to a pub feed.
I was too. That really helps me out. This place looks adorable too.
It's a big piggies. guess they had too much beer.
Yeah. Past that,
Okay, so the pub's closed. It's not even really a proper pub, I wouldn't say. The club hours are 11 till 4, and then we get here at 4:30. That sucks. We had a hard set on a pub feed and beers. Like, I was so looking forward to that.
And they have a pig that drinks beer.
Yep.
I wanted to see that.
We did see the pig, sort of. There's 2 pigs and they were sleeping.
Really
I like the
cute.
pigs. That was nice. They were big pigs.
They're huge.
That like kind of
Awesome.
blotchy coloured one was like massive. Anyway, guys, it's back to the tent. We're gonna try and find somewhere sheltered. There's loads of like outbuildings and stuff at this rec reserve, picnic tables and stuff. So with a bit of luck, we might be able to find somewhere sort of out of the wind where we can kind of cook and just sort of hang out for the evening. So see how it goes.